Get her, Steve!
Hey, thanks for checking out the videos. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the channel. After TTC, Stephen really didn't know what coming into Ride Rock Creek would be like. With his shoulders and everything that he'd gone through at TTC, he was kind of looking at Ride Rock Creek as maybe a way to reboot or see how he could move forward. Luckily by race day, Stephen felt good. He'd had a lot of good runs and he was feeling good on the bike and was in good spirits. I think that was the most encouraging thing to me. We came into Ride Rock Creek with a new plan. We had gotten Stephen a session with a physical therapist, and Stephen had kind of started re-evaluating the way that he trains and the way that he rides on a daily basis. We're really not sure yet whether Stephen will get shoulder surgery immediately after the race season, or whether he can move forward over the next few races and not have any issues. One of the things that Stephen has incorporated into his riding is stretching with these little bands that help him to loosen up and get his shoulders ready. So this is the part of the video where I'll let Stephen take it over and you can watch his race run. We're looking forward to the next race. I'm really proud of him. I feel like this was exactly what he needed, and we'll be at Downhill Southeast Race 3 at Winrock the beginning of May, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Stephen, super proud of you and look forward to the next race. Thank you.